In this video, I'll show you how to allow Discord to access your microphone on Chrome browser. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and content like this. This works both on PC and on smartphones, so ensure you watch what I'm going to show you right now. Now, if for any reasons you would love to allow Discord to have access to your microphone, what this means basically is that once you have turned on the access, right, you can now use your microphone on your Discord. So this is very easy. Like, this helps a lot, right? So if you use Discord, you can be using this for your own important purposes, right? So what we're going to do right now, I'm currently logged in my Discord on my Chrome browser, right? So you're going to click on this microphone, turn on microphone, and right now you can see use your microphones, allow while visiting the site, allow this time, never allow, right? So for you to allow Discord to access your microphone, what we're going to do right now, I'm going to click allow this time, right? You can click this, because this is an educational video, tutorial video. So I think I'm just going to click on this allow this time, right? Because I want to show you guys something. Once you click on it, you can see right now I can now turn on and turn off the microphone here on Discord, right? There's a turn off, there's a turn on. So if you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I'm going to see you all in the very next one.